Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Grubhub app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start paying for Grubhub using PayPal. How do you actually connect both apps together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, click on Account, then click on Payment, then click on Add New Payment. Now, towards the bottom, click on PayPal, and then it's going to launch PayPal so that you can connect PayPal with the Grubhub app. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.